Hi guys, welcome to our channel Explore with Love. I'm here with my girls today. Hi, this is Purva. Hello, this is Nana. And this is Meera. And we are your close friends.
Nestled at the foot of Tableland and just a short stroll away from the busy Panchgani market, Hotel Malas is a heaven of peace and tranquility in a location that is both idyllic and convenient. This was a perfect place to get away with my girlfriends. We started our trip with Gureghor Trail as our first destination. If you are a bird lover, then you should definitely carry binoculars with you.
This place is 8.9 kilometers away from the hotel where we are staying. I would really love you guys to visit this place. It is filled with lush green trees. The sound of chirping birds, insects make you feel like you are in the lap of Mother Nature. This is a 1 kilometer trail, and please avoid coming here in rainy season. Winters and summers is a perfect season to come here. This place is filled with love.
This trail is abound with flora and fauna and emerges at the Triveni point, which offers a magnificent 360-degree view of the Mahabaleshwar plateau. Our next stop was Mapro Garden. Mapro is abbreviation of Mahabaleshwar products, making luxurious organic product based. Tableland is located next to Hotel Malas. You can go hiking or by car, the routes are different. This is a volcanic plateau which is the second highest in Asia after the Tibetan plateau. Many Bollywood movies have been filmed here. You You can go horse riding, check out the caves and the cafe. It also offers other adventure activities depending on the season you are visiting. Shivaji Circle is the most popular spot for shopping in Panchgani. From fresh vegetables, fruits to slippers and wooden handicrafts, this market has so much to offer. Out of the 4 viewpoints named Passy Point, Sydney Point, Lordwick Point and Elphinstone Point, Sydney Point seemed to look unique because of the hanging bridge. So we decided to visit only Sydney Point, and the experience was really amazing.
This is near around 2 kilometers from Hotel Mala's. On the way, we saw Shivaji Market, and there were vegetables, strawberry, gooseberry, raspberry. We did some shopping, and now we are here.
This point comes first if you are entering Panchgani from Y village side. It has 3 side view of mountain cliff, village in the valley and Dhoom Dam. Best part is you can drive straight up to the point. Hotel Mala's owner, Mr. Ali, had planned a surprise celebration for us as it was Naina's